It's your product education post of the week. I know you guys have been waiting for me to come on here and tell you what product I have chosen this week. And this week I have chosen powergize. You are going to take 2 of these a day, and I'm gonna let you know why. I'm gonna let you know why you want these, because they're gonna help you with mental clarity. They're gonna help you with concentration and focus. They're gonna help you with energy, all right? They're going to offer antioxidant and immune support. Hello, everybody needs that. Nobody has time to get sick. When I tell you that they offer energy, I'm not talking about like 6 espresso shot energy or energy drink energy. I'm talking about like that just constant flow of energy to help you get throughout the day. They're like the little engine that could in a bottle to just keep you going constantly throughout the day, okay? So honestly, guys, I mean, we can't all take 6 espresso shots a day and just keep going. Believe me, I've tried. I do it on occasion, but this is so much easier. This is so much easier. I need a coffee IV usually, but these have really, really changed me in the last month or so. You'll probably notice that I haven't done near as many Starbucks posts. That's why, okay? This is why. So these cost $30.50 wholesale. And like I said, you take 2 a day. Sometimes I take 1 a day, and they're still doing their job because they're amazing. Let me know if you've tried these already and if you love them, or let me know if you're going to try them. Or let me know if you have any questions, because I love questions. And that is really it. This was like a short video for you guys, but I think I got the point across. Let me just make sure with my notes. Yeah, balance energy, endurance, enhances muscle health. They're great. They're a great little power-packed supplement. Let me know.